Hi, my name is Chuck Vanderstelt, and I'm a real estate agent in Northwest Indiana, and I own the real estate website quadwalls.com. I'm here with another Northwest Indiana market update for October of 2021. Gonna go through and take a look at what happened in the Northwest Indiana real estate market in September, and then we'll talk a little bit about where we're at in October and my predictions for the next few months. Before that, at the end of this video, don't forget to like the video if you're watching on Facebook, or subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Also, check in the description. I've got one of what I believe is the very best app for searching for homes in Northwest Indiana. There's a link in there where you can easily download my app. So with that, let's go ahead and jump right into taking a look at the market update. Overall, I would describe it as that the music has slowed down, but it definitely has not stopped. September volume was a bit low. It was definitely lower than what we saw in September of 2020, actually about 10% lower. Home prices still remain strong. They did grow on a year-over-year basis in all categories, but the appreciation rates have lessened as well. September represented the third consecutive month of lower volume home sales when compared to the same month a year ago, and the third consecutive month where we're seeing the annual appreciation rates slow down, and now we're normalizing into the middle single digits. Let's get a little bit more specific regarding houses. There was 1,080 home sales reported to the MLS. Average sale price of these single family homes, so we're only looking at houses, $258,242. That's 5% higher than in September of 2020. Median sale price was $222,000, meaning half the single family homes sold Northwest Indiana in September were less than $222,000. The other half were above it. That's 4% higher than a year ago. Median price per square foot, $129.77. That's 12% higher than what we saw a year ago. In my opinion, looking at September a year ago and where we are now, looking at these average and median single family home sale prices, I have a feeling a lot of that higher price per square foot is coming from smaller homes, lower cost homes. That's where I think a lot of that's coming from. Condos, there was 48 home sales. Average sale price for a condo in Northwest Indiana in September was $187,548. That's up 4% from a year ago. Median sale price was $174,950, which is up 14% from a year ago. Average and median square foot prices rose 13 and 15% respectively. So we continue to see condos outperform single family homes. It is important to note, though, that the single family home market in Northwest Indiana is 20 times larger than the condo market. So there really aren't that many condo sales that take place each month. Half-duplexes and townhomes, this was the strongest category. 94 sales reported in the month of September 2021. Average sale price was $252,465, which is up 19% from a year ago. The median sale price was $244,732, up 24% from a year ago. Taking a look at the luxury market is a home of any home type that has a closed sale price of over $500,000. That's because this represents less than 10% of the market. Actually, this month, excuse me, I promise it's late as I'm shooting this after a long real estate day. The luxury market this month in September of 2021, closed home sales represented a little more than 6% of the total market. Average sale price of these 76 homes was $685,151. That's down 2% from a year ago. Median sale price, though, was up 3% from a year ago to $615,000. I think it's important we always look at home inventory as we make projections about the future. Home inventory is up about 5% from where it was a month ago. So from the beginning of September to now the beginning of October, we actually added more homes. There are more homes now for sale than what there was a month ago. This time of year, not too abnormal to see that, and not a drastic difference, just about 5%. It was a little over 1,400 homes are available. Excuse me. A little over 1,250 of these are single-family homes. The average list price of these is $370,229. That's pretty well unchanged from the beginning of September. Median list price, $289,900, up 2% from a year from the previous month. Luxury market pretty flat compared to where it was a month ago. So inventory is building slowly. Seeing most of it in single-family homes. Home prices aren't barreling higher and higher month after month. When you look at the average and medians, I think that pricing is really starting to slow down, where we're seeing this drastic price growth. So with that though, I want to run into some predictions for what I see coming as we end 2021. More yawns for me. I hope you're not yawning because I'm not boring you to death. Some predictions. I think October is going to be a rerun of September. I think plenty of homes sell, but I think we will sell fewer homes in October 21 than what we saw sell in Northwest Indiana in October of 2020. I think you see home price appreciation rates in each category be very similar to what they were in September. That would be low, middle single digits for single family homes, high single digits for condos, high single digits, low teens for townhomes and half duplexes. Townhomes and half duplexes and condos, I believe their appreciation rates will slow soon and normalize and get down there with where houses are, middle single digits. The price per square foot of condos, townhomes, and half duplexes in Northwest Indiana, it's getting pretty high and comparable to where houses are. So I think that's going to slow down a little bit soon. Another prediction, scary headlines are going to slow down decision making. Just recently, in the last, 10 days or so, I've seen scarier news headlines that have more related to economics. Lots of complaints of supply chain problems, worries about what's going to be on the shelves for us to buy for Christmas to give to friends and family members or to ourselves. So supply chain issues there. Seems American government right now, a lot going on with infrastructure bills, debt ceilings, economic items that really truthfully make most of us just glaze right over of boredom, and just massive amounts of money possibly being spent. Hear lots of talk of inflation. Inflation's already here, inflation's getting worse. Future plans will make inflation worse. I think too soon you'll start seeing more headlines of interest rates going up, because interest rates, I believe, will be going up over the next 6 months. And then, as all these scary headlines based in economics come to us, which who knows how much truth there is to any of them. Let's hope the dogs behave. I'm almost done. And how everything's going to play out. I just worry if it's going to cause some buyers and sellers to defer, especially as we're going into the holidays. A lot of people canceled their plans last year due to a COVID situation. Now we're seeing COVID go down. The COVID case rates and hospitalizations go down. Vaccination is an option for anybody who wants to do it. So I think we're going to have a lot more holiday celebrations, and maybe we do it doubly well for those that were canceled last year. So maybe that all provides a nice distraction for home buyers and home sellers, and we see a lot of deferral. In my opinion, I do not think it will be an overly anemic fall and winter. I think there'll be an active market. So again, if you're a home buyer, look in the description, download my app. You can search for homes using the app and get connected with me or an agent on my team. We can help you with any house on the market. You know, the homes today will cost more money in 6 months, is my opinion. I believe the prices will continue to go up. I do believe interest rates will tick up just slightly, just slightly. And, you know, again, as always, compare the interest rates to a 30 or 40-year chart and see what our parents and grandparents were paying in the 1980s. I'm talking minor ticks, but it's going to increase payments. So if you're thinking about buying, just get out there and buy. Plus, the time of year from August through February, early March, it really is the best time to buy a house. It's calmer, it's cooler, it's just an easier market to work in. And then for sellers, you know, prices are at record highs. They probably will keep going up, but very slightly. Some homes or in some home types, though, might be a little bit less lucky and just kind of stall out on their price because of such extreme appreciation that occurred this year. Later in the year, I plan to kind of put together some charts to really help consumers understand how extreme the rates of appreciation were earlier this year, and maybe try to identify some of the causes. I do not think there will be a repeat of those extremes next spring. The 15 and 20, 25% year-over-year appreciation. People just can't afford it. Wages just aren't rising fast enough for that to occur 2 years in a row. I would be very surprised. So if you're thinking about selling, settle. Great time. I've actually seen quite a healthy amount of homes coming on the market. I've been surprised at a lot of larger homes coming on the market still. If you're selling and buying, just take the advice that I just gave to the buyers and sellers. You know, get out there, get started working on your sale. And I always encourage positioning the sale first. Everybody gets so concerned about finding the thing they want to buy. You usually find it. You usually can find it 4 or 5 times. The bigger challenge sometimes is getting your home sold. So just kind of get started with that. So again, my name is Chuck Vanderstel. I'm a real estate agent in Northwest Indiana. I work for the Brokerage Listing Leaders. I also own the real estate website Quad Walls, which is dedicated to helping home buyers and sellers like you save money and make better decisions. Feel free to contact me. I can show you ways to save money when buying and selling real estate. I will share with you advice to help you make better decisions. Download my app to search for homes. You can connect with me right through the app and ask any questions about a property or schedule a showing. And feel free to contact me. Just visit my site, quadwalls.com, fill out any of the contact forms, or click the Contact Us button. Just kind of tell me a little bit about yourself and how I can help. I will definitely give you a call back. Thank you very much.